Key takeaway: US trade tensions weigh on Indian markets today, causing minor drops in key indices like the Sensex and Nifty. But fear not, as our economy remains resilient and there's optimism about the outcome of these negotiations. The Punch: trade winds may be turbulent, but India's economic sales remain steady. As US President Trump announced a 25% tariff on goods from India, starting 1st August, our markets took a hit. The Sensex and Nifty dropped approximately 0.8% and 0.7%, respectively. However, despite this initial shockwave, Indian markets recovered from early losses, suggesting investors view the move as a negotiation tactic. The US tariffs could potentially reduce our growth by up to 40 basis points in 2025 to 26. But worry not, for fiscal support and rate cuts are expected to offset some of these downside risks. The Indian government remains optimistic about the economy's growth, projecting a rate of 6.3%, 6.8% in 2025 to 26. In the corporate sector, Hyundai Motor India reported a profit surge due to increased exports, signaling a promising future for this automotive giant. Analysts agree that new launches, a focus on exports, and an upcoming festive season will boost volumes recovery from FY27 onwards, making Hyundai Motor India a smart investment opportunity. The private bank index suffered its worst monthly decline since October 2024, with a drop of 3.5%. However, heavyweights like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank bucked this trend with gains of nearly 2% and 3%, respectively, due to upbeat results. The rupee depreciated against the US dollar, falling to 87.66. Bond yields remain stable at around 6.37%, while overnight index swaps, call money rate, and TREPS rates are unchanged or slightly higher. In conclusion, India's financial markets continue to face pressure from external factors, particularly US-related tariffs and capital outflows. But investors hold a cautiously optimistic view for future negotiations, as rates may be lower once talks conclude. So let's keep our fingers crossed and ride the economic waves together.